You've all been in that situation facing nightmare clients who won't leave you alone, complex installations, or managing multiple sites. Sometimes it's all three at once. We understand the headache that comes with these problems. But what if we could bring you a solution that would increase efficiency, improve client satisfaction and understanding, to ultimately bring you more business? Today, we're going to be talking about how making the most of the Ruijie Reyee products you already use can directly translate into more profitable projects and increase your reputation as a trusted, transparent installer, securing you more jobs, growing your business, with the added bonus of making your life less stressful. Let's look at something all of you have experienced more than once: the nightmare client. Someone who wants to see and know everything that's going to happen right away, but doesn't leave you with enough time to put anything together. Lots of additional paperwork, explanations, and hassle from a client like this may make you want to turn down the job completely. This loses you business and potentially harms your reputation in that area. But what if all that could be avoided? Not with a new product or an expensive upsell, but something that comes with the products you use already. Welcome to the Ruijie Cloud. Ruijie Reyee is designed for small to medium-sized businesses who are looking for ease of planning at great value. It comes with cloud management and AI-driven planning. It's loaded with bill of materials or BOM generation tools, while simplifying complex network design tasks. Perfect for anyone looking for a professional-grade system without a large IT budget. Let's take a look at their AI heatmaps feature. With this, you can put all your products, like recorders, switches, cameras, and any other networking device, into a saved catalog. You can then upload a copy of your client's floor plan and create a BOM with them in real time as you decide where every device is going to go. Now, obviously, this doesn't have to be with every client, but for those with complex sites and are a little bit skeptical, this is a great way to show that you're transparent. Gone are the days of going home to do mountains of paperwork to send back to the client just for them to say no or ask you to do it again. Now, you can set all of this up and make your changes the first time around. No more iterations going back and forth. This is just one project. Of course, there will be times where you must juggle multiple jobs at once. Thankfully, the Ruijie Cloud allows you to move between projects and send jobs between co-workers, clients, and contractors. With enterprise-grade cloud management, sending files while you're on the move to a colleague who's at a different site is easier than ever before. Take the stress of complex site and network solutions out of the equation, with automatic node diagrams for everything on your build of materials. Every floor, every room, every node tree, all on a clear diagram to explain to you, your staff, and your clients what needs to be done, minimizing any risk. Have a clear order of devices ranging from access points, switches, cameras, all the way back to the modem in your pocket at all times. Now, I know what you're thinking. How much does a software like this set you back? Well, most networking companies would charge you a costly subscription based on how much storage you'll want to access, how many users you'll need. But with Ruijie Reyee, everything is free. All you need is an account. They are arguably the best value for money networking company that will improve your business. Just by using this software, you get a more streamlined system, a better reputation as a transparent installer, and more time on your hands for no extra cost. Switching to the Ruijie Cloud ecosystem and using Ruijie Reyee products is the perfect opportunity for any business to grow. Of course, Ruijie Reyee products are available here at Luxrite. Call up the sales team and ask for yours now. Tell us what you want to see from us about Ruijie Reyee in the comments below. And in order to see those videos, like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. See you in the next one.